Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Picsart and creating a new canvas immediately. Pick a size that matches where the banner will live. Once done, import your main photos and any PNG logos so they are ready to drag. Make sure to add a background texture or color first because it anchors composition. You will see layers in the editor. Use them to keep elements separate. This step prevents rework and helps you adjust scale and placement cleanly as you build. Now you compose. Place your main image, then add supporting graphics and text, using layers to control each element. While placing, use cutout and shape crop to remove unwanted background portions. The erase brush cleans edges. Once elements are in place, use transform to scale and rotate for balance, then tweak opacity and blend modes to integrate foreground with background. Make sure to apply subtle filters or color balance to unify tones. This creates visual cohesion and makes the banner feel professional. Finish by adding text and call to action. Choose high contrast and large enough size so it reads at a glance. Once satisfied, flatten non-essential layers and export using PNG for transparency or JPG for smaller file size, selecting resolution appropriate to the platform. Make sure to preview at actual display size. If something goes wrong, first check alignment with guides, then verify color contrast and layer visibility. If a graphic appears low quality, revisit the source image and increase resolution or replace with a higher quality asset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.